Here's an idea for a decent budget earbuds. These are the T110s by JBL by Harman. They cost 10 euros in the EU, probably 10-15 dollars in United States. They are advertising that they have JBL pure bass sound, which is more than just bass. It's purified apparently. They have a button remote with microphone, one button remote, and they have tangle-free flat cable. Almost all of the earbuds that I can think of these days come with these flat tapeworm type of cables. But oh yeah, this one button remote. This is not the full remote that would have volume up and down. This is just, I think it enables this microphone. A microphone is in this little speaker hole. Yeah, I don't know why. Why would someone use it? I guess if you don't want to take your earbuds out of your ears when someone is calling, then you can place this thing and speak into this. I'm not doing that. I don't care. Okay, in the package there's some garbage, as you would always get. Can't have something without garbage these days, without useless papers. Okay, these are obviously the alternate size inserts, or the alternate size ear plugs. The medium size that they put on in the factory works fine for me. Oh, what the hell is this? It's a paper in Chinese. Oh, I think it states whether or not it has hazardous materials. Environmental card in Chinese. Why is it in Chinese? Isn't JBL supposed to be this, or Harman? It's supposed to be this German company, right? Obviously not. Okay, Harman International Industries, blah blah blah. Whoa, this is interesting. Let's see if I can open it with one hand. California. Why did I say German? Yeah, it's United States. The Harman brand is United States, and JBL is part of them. I don't know what is this. I don't know. Nobody cares. I'm just basically doing an ASMR video here. Looking at these papers, and these papers have a hard life. Everyone is just throwing them in the trash automatically, never even giving them a single look. Warranty card. Yeah, I will definitely bring these in for warranty. Entire of my 10 freaking euros, when they break, I will get my money back. So yeah, this was just like a fake unboxing. But probably what you care about is whether or not they sound good, whether or not they really have bass. And I'm a little bit of a sound junkie or audiophile, you would say. I also have another review in the past from similar product, which was I think T210. I might get that wrong. But you can search my channel, and I think these sound just like the 210s. I haven't looked at the spec. I don't know if the speaker membranes are same size or bigger or smaller, but to me they sound the same. The bass is there. They sound perfectly acceptable. They sound easily as good as you would expect from your 10 euros. or whatever dollar equivalent, and that's the important part. And in this price range, you can, I think the best bet is to actually buy these or any decent $10 earbuds in actual store, not on eBay, not on Amazon, because there are a lot of fake Chinese earbuds around, and with these the perception of sound quality is quite difficult to prove or quantify, and these Chinese knockoff manufacturers can get away with selling earbuds that sound like absolute crap, and you will have a hard time proving or quantifying or explaining that they sound like crap. That's why it's the best to buy in this price range actually in the shop, because these shops will not, they buy in bulk and they will not buy from dodgy suppliers. Obviously they will not sell you fake JBLs. So give your local electronics store a visit. You probably may have not even been there ever in your life these days. Who goes to electronic stores these days? But give them a visit, or your supermarket or mall, and look for these. And they will most likely have loads of overpriced products, but incredibly I found these for 10 euros and they really do sound legit. Obviously they will not have the most crisp and precise high spectrum, high frequencies that I'm used to from something like this very dusty JBL Studio monitor, but they are absolutely alright. Absolutely alright. I really can recommend them 100%. Just make sure you don't buy from dodgy buyers on eBay, which will sell you garbage earbuds with no bass, like static noise in them, and you will be basically screwed. So yeah, that's all. Thanks for attention. Please don't judge my fingernails. I actually cleaned them. They're still not very clean, but yeah, I took my time just for you guys. So yeah, bye.